Hi everybody, I am here in my St. George kitchen. Today this video is going to be all about healthy meal prep. I have a free meal plan. If any of you want it, you can go to wannabebalance.com/meal plan. I'm going to show you the whole meal prep process that I do, well, I try to do at least every week, so that I can make healthier choices throughout the week. It's all about being prepared. If you can set aside some time each week to do a little bit of meal prep, you're gonna set yourself up for success. I would highly recommend when starting any new healthy eating lifestyle to start with a cleanse. Now, I know some of you might be a little bit afraid when you hear the word cleanse, like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be starving for 2 weeks, or gonna be just drinking juice for days at a time, stuck to the toilet. Those are the types of things people think of when they think of a cleanse, but this is not the type of cleanse I'm talking about. It's not a diuretic. It really is all about resetting your metabolism, getting yourself off to a good start. My husband and I have been cleansing coaches for the last 13 years together. I'm very passionate about cleansing, and I've coached hundreds of people through this cleansing program. I've had my own amazing personal results. I was able to lose 25 pounds and go from a size 10 to a 5. That was 13 years ago, before I even had kids. Now here I am, I have 4 kids, and I gained about 50 pounds with each pregnancy, and I've been able to get down to a size 5 each time because of these amazing meal replacement shakes, cleansing, and good meal prepping. This month is the Wannabe Lean Challenge, and so I wanted to give you all of my healthy weight loss tips throughout this month. It's all about cleansing, nutrition, and meal prepping. There are many different options when it comes to cleansing. There's a daily cleanse, there's a weekly cleanse, a 2-day cleanse, a monthly cleanse. It can always be modified to fit your lifestyle, and I would love to talk to you guys and be your nutritional cleansing coach to help find the best option for you. I talk a lot about this 30-day nutritional cleansing program that I do personally, and I coach people through it. And if you want more information on this particular cleanse, you can always go to wannabelean.com and you can request some more information, or you can email me and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. I've kind of jotted down some meal ideas, and then I created a grocery list, and I went to the store today. I got all my fruits and vegetables soaking in the sink, just put a little bit of vinegar, cool water, and let them soak for about 15 minutes. And then you'll just take some time to cut everything up and put it in separate containers. So one of the most important things that I do when it comes to meal prep on meal prep day is, of course, cooking lots of chicken, because I have lots of different recipes throughout the week that I'm going to be using this chicken. I love to boil some eggs. I think hard-boiled eggs are a great snack, and you can do lots of different things with those as well. Add them to your salad. You can make an actual egg salad and eat it like that, put some pickles in it. I don't know, you can just be really creative, but I really think that hard-boiled eggs are a great go-to snack. I think sweet potatoes are always a good option, so I bake some sweet potatoes because that can also be used in different recipes. You can add them to your salad, you can eat it with your chicken and some vegetables. So I'll bake a few sweet potatoes for the week. And then I love to create some type of a healthy treat. One of my favorites is either a healthy brownie or a healthy muffin. And basically you can just Google ways to make a gluten-free healthy brownie or muffins. I kind of really like to be creative when it comes to muffins. I just like throw different things in there. So I'll put some oatmeal flour, flaxseed, semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can just kind of be creative, but having those on hand and putting them in your freezer for a snack, for a yummy treat, those are always nice to have. So when you have that sweet tooth, you will already have them prepared. When they're in your freezer, they last for months, and you can eat them, you can let them thaw out for about 30 minutes, or you can eat them frozen. Sometimes I like eating the brownies frozen, or you can put them in the microwave for like 20 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to show you 7 simple recipes and how I do a lot of the meal prep on Mondays or Saturday. Choose the day that works best for you. I think that 7 meal ideas is enough to get you through the week because I always double the recipe and I will use the leftovers as a lunch or a meal later in the week. I really think that 7 is enough because one of the things that I highly recommend doing is getting yourself a meal replacement shake and a bar that you love. And of course, most of you know that I love the Isogenics ones. My husband and I are distributors. We have actually been doing it as our full-time career since we met 13 years ago. And if you've seen my other YouTube videos, you know that through this company, we were able to make our first million at age 27 and be pretty much retired at our age. I really love these products. And it saves me so much time when it comes to meal prep because, like I said, I will choose 7 meals to get me through the week. I'll eat the leftovers and the rest of the meals will be these amazing meal replacement shakes or meal replacement bars. And I love these shakes because they are an organic whey protein imported from New Zealand, and it's a low heat pasteurization, which is very important when it comes to protein. Not all protein shakes are created equal. These ones are a low heat pasteurization, which means that it preserves a lot of the important enzymes that your body needs in order to break it down and actually use the protein. And they use the same protein for these meal replacement bars. So it's not just a protein bar or a protein shake, it's an actual meal replacement, meaning it has all your essential vitamins and nutrients that your body needs in order to feel satisfied, to be that actual replacement for a meal, not just protein. But my favorite are the bars. I love these. They're very tasty and they actually taste like a treat for me. So for breakfast, I always have these shakes. It's the first thing I crave in the morning. It's simple. I love it. It's satisfying until lunchtime. And that's when I will have one of my leftover meals from the dinner, or I will have a bar for lunch. We also have these yummy healthy chocolates, so this is also another great option when it comes to your sweet tooth. Some other healthy snacks include veggies and hummus, egg salad and crackers, buckwheat cereal. Buckwheat is actually one of my favorite cereals. It's so easy to prepare. You don't even have to cook it. It's raw, has more enzymes, more nutrition. It's actually very filling and tasty. It's very simple to make this. All you have to do is soak it in water for a few hours and then rinse and repeat every few hours for the first day. So the first meal is a gluten-free barbecue spinach pizza. All I did was use some of the chicken that I grilled earlier, some barbecue sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, and some fresh spinach. Meal number 2 is Taco Tuesday lettuce wraps. Basically, it's just a taco with ground turkey and lettuce as the taco shell, and then whatever kind of toppings that you like. Meal number 3 is just a basic meal with some of the chicken that you grilled. Meal number 4, chicken salad with sweet potatoes. Meal number 5, zoodles with meat sauce made with ground turkey. Meal number 6, a chicken noodle bowl with broccoli. Meal number 7 is vegetable soup.